In our last episode, I discussed the perils of trading rate for product. That segment generated substantial feedback, including the question, isn't trading rate for product really just payment packing in reverse? So buckle up. We're about to wade into the deep waters of payment packing. What is payment packing anyway? The most succinct official definition of payment packing goes back to a 1999 resolution of the National Association of Attorneys General, or NAG. Packing is the deceptive practice of misrepresenting monthly payments to consumers during auto sales and lease negotiations in order to facilitate the sale of automobile-related products and services, close quote. In other words, presenting a customer with an artificially high monthly payment quote creates space to fill or pack that payment with product. This is a classic deceptive trade practice to be avoided at all costs. Implicit in NAG's definition of payment packing is the necessity of an accurate monthly payment, and that payment must be based on the actual cost of the vehicle plus taxes and mandatory government fees. If the monthly payment includes preloaded or other stuffed products, those products and their inclusion must be unambiguously understood and agreed to by the customer. If there is one fixed star in the F&I heavens, it is this. Customers must be presented with a payment that is accurate and based upon a representative term and APR. What term? Your dealership's actual current average is best. The national average is also defensible. That's about 72 months as of this recording. Reasonable and common terms can work, say 60 and 72 months, but using a 36 or 48-month term when no one in your market finances at those terms is not defensible and creates a deceptively high monthly payment quote. What APR should you use for first pencil quotes? Either the 90-day rolling average for your store, which to be fair, can become unwieldy and fall into disuse, or more simply, your captive finance source's Tier 2 rate. Of course, once a customer's credit is pulled, with the customer's express permission, the actual APR for which the customer qualifies should be used. Assuming the APR and term are accurate and representative, what is the amount to which they are applied? In a transaction with no preloads, that's easy. The vehicle alone with taxes and government fees. But in a transaction with preloaded items, things can get a little complicated. We'll talk about that next time. For Drop the Bow Tie, I'm Jim Ganther. Thanks for watching.